Merging conflicts in GitLab occurs when changes in different branches affect the same lines of code or files, preventing automatic merging. Here's how to resolve merge conflicts in GitLab. Identify the merge conflict. When you try to merge a branch in GitLab and the conflict arises, GitLab will notify you of the conflict during the merge request process. Open the merge request that has conflicts by navigating to merge requests in your project. View the conflict details. On the merge request page, GitLab will indicate which files have conflicts. Click on the conflicted files to see the specific lines causing issues. Resolve conflicts in the web editor. GitLab provides an online editor for resolving conflicts. Click the Resolve Conflicts button to start. For each conflicted file, you will see both versions of the conflicting lines. Choose the changes you want to keep by manually editing the code. Mark conflicts as resolved. After editing, mark the file as resolved by clicking Mark as resolved. Repeat for all conflicted files. Commit the resolved changes. Once all conflicts are resolved, click Commit to Source Branch. This will save the resolved changes. Complete the merge. Now that conflicts are resolved, you can proceed to merge the branch by clicking the Merge button in the merge request.